Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Rosalina from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw my new version of Rosalina, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Actually, I meant to say let's start by drawing one of her eyes. So we're only seeing one eye, so we just need to put in one circle about right here. And then, now that I have that, let's go ahead and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. There. So now I have this eye. Let's come to the top right here, and I'm just going to spruce them up with some lashes. Maybe just two simple lashes. And then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the center of this eye. So say about right here, I'm going to go up and just going to give myself a point about right here. This is where her hair is going to start. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve coming down, and then on this side another curve coming down. So I'm just kind of creating these two curves. Then from there I'm going to come right here where we usually draw her face. So about right here I'm going to go ahead and go around her eye, and we're going to aim towards the center. So about right here. So just our usual curve of drawing the face. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And if it's easier for you, you can always draw both eyes. And then maybe it'll be a little bit easier for you to figure out this curve. But so say about right there. Then I'm going to bring this down and to the side right here to about right there. So this part's going to go up, so that's where I'm ending about right there. There, to create her chin. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and we're going to go up. So we're going to go, just imagine her face would be about right here, right? So we don't want to go too thin. Go out so that it makes sense. So let's say about right there. Just step back and take a look. And we're going to go up. And bring it all the way back to here. So I'm just kind of using these sketchy marks as I go. Okay, kind of figure out where I'm going. And we're going to bring it all the way back. So it's like drawing this big leaf. Okay, so now that we have that, we can finally come in here and say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve for her brow. And then of course we need to give her a smile. So right in the center, about right here. And cap it off. There. Okay, so the hardest part is done. So hopefully I was able to help you with that. Then now that we have all that, let's come back to this side. Let's work on this side first. About right here, we're going to come out for the sides of her hair. So we're going to come down, curve it out, and one more, and we're going to bring it all the way back to here. And curve. So let's do the same thing on the other side. But right here, I'm going to curve it out. And I'm just going to drag this point across, so I'm approximately the same on the other side. And once again, in and out. And so I'm just going to drag this across. Approximate, and bring it in. There. Okay. It's so weird for me because usually I'm drawing this way. Now I have to go the opposite. Okay, so then from there, let's draw this strand of hair that's right here to on the side of her face and just tuck it in. And you will see a little part of her ear. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a curve right about there. So same thing on the other side. See a little bit of her ear. So just kind of tuck that in. And then we can come right about here. Actually, you know what? Let's do that later. Let's draw her body first. So then let's come back up here before I forget. Oops. And draw her crown. So I'm just going to find my center and go up to about right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw 2 angles coming down. So that way I make sure that my crown is in the center. And just put this little crown into this space. There. And then for some details, you put in jewels right here. And then of course one right in the center. And I'm just going to make this one a heart. So that's my Draw So Cute Rosalina, right? Okay, so now that we have all that, let's come back and draw her body. So I'm going to come right here in the center and give her a little neck. So I'm going to bring this down and out. And let's see here. I'm just going to bring, you know what, then let's come back in the center right here. And we're going to draw a star. There, have a nice star right there. Then I'm going to come out right here and we're going to draw a curve coming out about that wide. Same thing on the other side. So this is going to be the beginning of her dress. About same thing on the other side. And then right here, bring this out and connect. So same thing on the other side. And connect. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come back in and say about right here, because our shoulders are going to come down about right there. So let's come about right here and here on both sides, and we're going to draw an angle line down. So we're just separating her arms from her body. So now we have that. Let's keep going down a little bit more. About right there. And then we're going to stop because this is where we're going to fold her hands. So I'm going to bring an angle line down and I'm going to find the center. So let's say about right here. And I'm just going to connect everything just to simplify and make it a little bit easier to draw. Just create this deep angle right there. And let's come back up right about here in the center. We're just going to draw a curve coming out for some details in her dress. Lightly, maybe some faux lines. Lightly draw that in. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's finish her arms. So I'm going to bring this down to about right here. And we're going to angle it down for her sleeves to about right there. So we're going to connect all of this. So one. And before I forget, I'm going to come right here and break it up. And then in this space, okay, wait. Actually, you know what? Let's come back here. Draw the other side. And it's a little bit different on this side. So I'm going to stop about right here and we're going to draw her hand. So we're going to come right in here. We're going to curve slightly to about right here, kind of like where this would angle. So she's kind of holding on to her hand, other hand, and then we're going to curve, thicken up the hand and give it a little angle. Let's round this off, and then right here, just put in 2 little lines and just connect everything. There. And then right in here is where we're going to draw her other hand. We're going to come down and then just come in a little bit. And to simplify it, we're just going to go up and in to create this shape. Then for some details, just come in here with 1, 2, and 3 little lines. And for some details on her dress, sleeves right here, and right here, because she's holding on to that sleeve right here, I guess there's just gonna be this angle line. I'm just following the original, so hopefully that makes sense. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we're gonna come right here and real lightly as possible draw her wand that she's holding. And now that we have all that, we can finally come back in here in this area, come out. Same thing about right here. We're going to draw her dress. So thank goodness it's simple, just coming down. And let's keep going out. We're just going to flare it out just to give it some movement. And about right here. And I just want to end about the same level. And now that I am pretty much at the same level, I'm going to find the center, which is about right here. Come down a little bit. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Actually, let's make it a little bit lower. And I'm going to wobble my way down to that point and then do the same thing on the other side so that I can end the dress at a curve at the bottom. And then I'm just going to come in here and just add some bottom layers. Just going to wobble all the way across. There. Okay. And when you're coloring, you can add some of these lines. For her dress. There. And last thing we need to do, of course, is to finish her hair. So I'm going to come right here, underneath, and draw this curve coming in. And another one. And just tuck it in. So same thing over here, right under her ear. There. And same thing on the other side. And about right there. And connect. And let's see here. Are we missing anything? I think that is. Put a little curve right here to finish it off. Oh, of course, right here we need to put a little jewel on the star. And that is pretty much it for my new drawing of Rosalina from Super Mario movie. I really hope you love this one just as much as the old one I did a few years ago. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.